Hello friends, welcome back to the final video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone lock screen setting, and today friends I am going to show you in this video how to add tags on lock screen. Friends, you want to add any tags on your lock screen. Friends, you can see your lock screen setting. Friends, you want to add any tags here on your lock screen. So how to add in this video I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your iqoo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on iqoo mobile, lock screen and wallpaper. After on lock screen wallpaper setting friends, you want to change your iqoo phone wallpaper. You can change, you can set theme from here. Friends, you can change your UI color on your iqoo mobile. So friends, I will click on lock screen setting. Friends, you want to change your lock screen style. Friends, you have any lock screen style you have downloaded, so you can select and you can set. Friends, I will click add tags on lock screen, and guys add tags on your lock screen. So guys, I will add here hello friends, and guys I will add it. After that friends, you can check this tag on your lock screen. So guys, lock your screen, and friends you can check on lock screen that the tags will add hello friends. So like that friends, you can add tags on lock screen. And friends, you want to change the lock screen tags, so again click on lock screen setting and click on add tags on lock screen, and guys you can change. So friends, I will change here good morning, and with good night and good morning, and I will okay. And friends, you want to set any emojis, so you can set from here. So I will add get this hard images, and okay. Friends, you can see tags will add on our lock screen good morning. So like that friends, you can add tags on your lock screen on your iqoo mobile. And friends, you don't want to add any tags, you want to remove tags, so you can remove from your lock screen setting. Click here, click on add tags on lock screen, and guys cut your tags and click ok. And friends, you can check there is no any tags on our lock screen, we cannot use any tags on lock screen. So like that friends, we can add and we can change and we can remove add tags on lock screen setting on iqoo mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.